Hi everyone, welcome back to Smile Tues, and as promised we're going to be doing a question every day. So we're going to be doing a difficult addition of completing the square, and it's going to be a fraction example. So let's just recap what we did last time. So we had to do x squared minus 4x minus 9. So what we essentially first do is write out the brackets. So x minus 2 squared, and then what we always do is we divide the 4 by 2, so we're left with 2, and then we always have to minus this number squared. So the square of 2 is 4, and then we're left with this, and then you work it out. Now let's get straight into the example. Okay, so what we can see here is, let me just roll this working out. So what we can see is x squared minus 7x plus 2. Okay, so what we always do is we do x squared, then we minus, remember we do the 7 divided by 2, which leaves us with 7 over 2. And then we can write out the plus 2 because we know it's going to be there. And then we always have to minus the square of this. So what's the square of 7 over 2? So let's square that. What's 7 squared? 7 squared is 49, and what's 2 squared is 4. Okay, so that's going to give us minus 49 over 4. Remember, we always have to do the square of this number. And we have to do minus this always. Okay, so now we've got that. What we then need to do is, we can see we need to finish working it out. So how do we minus this from each other? Plus from this from each other. Okay, so we can write this out. Minus 49 over 4 plus 2. What do we need to do? We need to make sure the denominator is the same. Okay, so how are we going to do that? So we can see this one's 4, and if we rewrite this, so now that we've done the multiplication of minus 49 over 4 times plus 2 over 1, and we times it by 4, the top and the bottom, because we need to keep the denominators the same, we're left with minus 49 over 4 plus 8 over 4, right? And then this is where we're left with minus 49 plus 8. Once we simplify it to this, because again it has the same denominator, we're left with minus 41 over 4. Okay, so now what we can do is we can rewrite everything. So it's x minus 7 over 2 squared minus 41 over 4. So that's the final answer, everyone, and make sure to follow and like for tomorrow's lesson.